Let me know in the comment section if you guys opened your CVS app this morning and you were as shocked as I did when you realized that you had a bunch of CRTs that we haven't gotten, I think, since 2021, 2022. It's been so long that we've been getting the exact same CRTs every single week, at least on the 3 accounts that I use. I use my mom's, my boyfriend's, and my sister's CVS accounts, all heavily couponed on, the exact same 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, the same 6 off 30 Crest CRT for years now, and I got some insane CRTs. I'm sure you did too. All 3 of my accounts got those. I had like a 3 off 9 shave, a 3 off 9 deodorant, a 3 off 18 shampoo and conditioner. I had some $1 off CRTs. I think it was like $2 off Dove Men Plus Care, $2 off LA Girl. They're definitely still personalized and they differ per account based on what you've been buying recently, but they are percent off one item for one brand, non-brand specific, like that 3 off 9 shave and 3 off 9 deodorant, 3 off 18 hair care that you can mix and match with brands. That's definitely going to make deals way cheaper, if not free. I am so excited. Hopefully this is not just a trial that CVS is doing. Hopefully this is a long-term thing that they're switching to, giving us back our CRTs. Let me know in the comment section down below if you did get better personalized CRTs this week and what you got. What is your favorite one that you got and which ones are you going to be using this week? This week, couponing at CVS, it is a 1-week ad that's good through April 4th due to the Easter holiday, Easter being next Sunday. So this week's ad includes Easter promotions, and then I believe next Sunday it's going to exclude Easter promotions. It's just going to be like a regular ad. There may be some repeat deals, but I believe starting next Sunday it should be a 2-week ad, and this is a 1-week ad. So just keep that in mind that these deals are only good through April 4th, and there'll be a new video next Sunday that I'll post for you guys going over the new ad. There are some really good deals going on. We do have a lot of good stuff going on. I am going to be doing a short form rolling extra bucks video, so look out for that. And with all that being said, I don't know what else to say. I think I'm just so excited for the deals this week. I'm so excited for the possibility that we got our CRTs back, that we might get them every single week, that we may be able to do some free hauls and get a lot of free stuff using those CRTs going forward if CVS keeps it up. I definitely let my contact at CVS know that we love this and I love this and we're excited about this, so hopefully they keep this up. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. We have a couple different deals on Garnier hair care this week. You can first do the whole blends that are 2 for $9, and we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll be left to pay $6, and then you'll get back a $3 extra buck for buying 2, making 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 each. Another way that you can do the Garnier hair care deal is grabbing 2 of the Fructis at $5.59 each, totaling $11.18. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $8.18, get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them $5.18. And if you got a 3 off 18 hair care CRT, you can grab 2 of the whole blends and 2 of the Fructis, totaling $20.18. Use that 3 off 18 CRT along with the 2 $3 digital coupons for the whole blends and the Fructis, and you'd be left to pay $11.18, getting $6 in extra bucks back, making all 4 of them just $5.18 after extra bucks back. The Clairol Root Touch-Ups are on sale for $8.99 each, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So grabbing 2 would total $17.98, and we do have a 9 off 2 digital coupon. So with that, you'd pay $8.98, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $4.98. Axe Body Wash are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 2 at $6.29 would total $9.43, and we just got a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $4.43. Getting back that $5 would make 2 of them a 56-cent moneymaker. That's a great deal. The Derma Comfort Women's Nivea Body Wash are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 at $5.99, totaling $11.98. And using the 5 off 2 digital coupon that we just got, you'd be left to pay $6.98. After the $5 extra buck back, it would make 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. I did hear that some people have Ibotta rebates for Nivea Women's and Men's Body Wash. I do not have those anymore or never got them, but if you did get those, definitely do this deal because it would be an even better deal. If you grab the men's, the exact same deal would apply, so 2 of them would total $11.98. With the 5 off 2 digital coupon, you can use that as well for the men's. And if you got a $2 off Nivea Men's Body Wash CRT, you can use that as well. You'd be left to pay $4.98, getting back the $5 extra buck for spending 10 before coupons, and it would make 2 of the Nivea Men's completely free. No Ibotta rebate required. If you have Ibotta, it would make it a moneymaker. Grab 3 of the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash on sale for $6.99 that are buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. You can use a 6 off 3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $14.97, and after the $5 extra buck back, it would make 3 of them just $9.97. And the same deal would apply for the Dove Women's. We also have a separate 6 off 3 digital for the women's. The 3 packs of the Irish Spring Bar Soap are on sale for 2 for $6 and buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck. So grabbing 2, you can use a $1 digital coupon, and if you got a $1 Irish Spring CRT, you can use that as well. You'd pay $4, get back your $2 extra buck, making 2 of them just $2 or $1 each. And we also have the deal on the soft soap, hand soap, and the $1 digital also applies for these as well, along with the Irish Spring. The Garnier facial care is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So if you grab 2 of the cheapest item, which are the scrubs at $8.29, they would total $12.43. You can use a 2 off 10 Garnier CRT along with a $3 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $7.43, earning back your $6 extra buck would make 2 of these just $1.43. L'Oreal facial care is spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. So you could grab like the moisturizer at $30.39 and use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal facial care CRT along with a $5 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $20.39. Getting back your $10 extra buck would make one of these over $30 moisturizers just $10.39. I also got a 30% off L'Oreal facial care CRT, so you could use that as well, and that would make it an even better deal. Just make sure whenever you're using percent off coupons, CRTs, that you do not pay with extra bucks, because that will reduce the amount the percent off coupon takes off. The CVS Health bandages are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So if you grab 2 of the cheapest ones at my store at $3.99, that would total $7.98. And if you do have the Extra Care Plus Care Pass, you would get 20% off on top of that for a CVS Health branded item. So that would make 2 of them just $6.38. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.38. The Pampers wipes are $3.49 and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab 2 of these Ultra Cleans. They're the big packs. It's the best value. 2 of those would total $6.98. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, and that would make 2 of the 78 count packs just $3.98 or $1.99 each. Select of the Colgate toothpaste are $3.99 on sale and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 totaling $7.98, you can use a 4 off 2 digital. You pay $3.98, get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them 98 cents. Secret deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So if you grab 2 of the cheapest ones at $5.79, that would total $8.68. You'd pay that, earn back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $4.68. And if these are priced a little bit higher at your store, or you grab a different variety that's priced a little bit higher, you could also use that 3 off 9 deodorant CRT, and that would make it a great deal. The big Purex detergent are $9.99 and buy one, get back a $4 extra buck, making one of them just $5.99. Check if you have any Ibotta rebates as well. The Scott toilet paper are on sale for $10.99 and spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 2 totaling $21.98, you can use a 3 off 12 Scott toilet paper CRT and a 2 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $16.98, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $11.98. If you got the $2 LA Girl CRT, the eyeliners and lip liners are priced around $2 to $3, so that'd be a great way to use it. EcoTools and Real Techniques are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So if you need these items, that's 50% off. That is a decent deal. And if you got a CRT, it would be an even better deal. I'm going to wait for the spend 15, get 10 because it's a better deal. Heads up that the singles and doubles packs of the Nivea lip balms are buy one, get one free this week. So if you like these, that is 50% off savings. That's a decent deal. The Total Home facial tissue is buy 1, get 2 free. So you can grab the $2.99 ones and you'd end up paying just $2.99 for 3 multi-packs, or just like 99 cents each. And we do have a gift card deal this week for spend 50, get back a $15 extra buck on all of these brands. It includes Domino's, DoorDash, Bath & Body Works, and more. So if you're interested, it would make a $50 gift card just $35. Okay, so I did 4 transactions rolling extra bucks. I started off with just my $10 Care Pass on this first transaction, and I did the Axe deal and the Nivea Women's Body Wash deal. My 2 digital coupons came off. I used those $10 and extra bucks to pay. So in total, between cash and extra bucks, I paid out $11.41 and then earned back the $10 and extra bucks. It was $5 for buying 2 of the Axe and $5 for spending $10 on Nivea. So that made my net cost for this transaction just $1.41. And then I'm rolling that $10 and extra bucks into my second transaction. And of course, if you do have the Nivea body wash Ibotta rebates, this would be a moneymaker deal for you. But for some reason on my Ibotta account, I did not have those rebates. So then I did the Colgate and the Pampers deal. I used my 4 off 2 digital for the Colgate and then rolled in my $10 and extra bucks. And I paid just 96 cents out of pocket. So in total, between extra bucks and cash, it was $10.96. And then I earned back my $6 and extra bucks, 3 for the Pampers deal and 3 for the Colgate deal. And I'm going to roll those $6 and extra bucks into my third transaction. So this transaction was a net cost of just $4.96 for all 4 items. I used those $6 and extra bucks on the Garnier facial care deal. So I used my 2 off 10 CRT, my $3 digital coupon, and those $6 in extra bucks, paid $1.43 out of pocket, then got back my $6 extra buck for buying 2 of the Garnier facial care. So in total, it was $7.43 between extra bucks and cash, and then I earned back that $6 extra buck, so it was net cost also of just $1.43. And finally, I rolled my $6 in extra bucks from the Garnier facial care deal into this Nivea lip balm deal for the 2 counts, $6.29 each, buy one get one free. Use the $6 in extra bucks to pay, making my out-of-pocket cost just 29 cents. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. Let me know again what CRTs you got this week in your account and which ones you're using on which deals in the comment section down below. Remember that this is just a 1-week ad, so I'll be back next Sunday for the start of the new 2-week ad after Easter. And that's all. I'll catch you guys next week. Have a good week of couponing, and make sure to check out my short form platforms for my rolling extra bucks short form video.